we'll be looking at content planning and how content planning can help you get the best result or a better result on your online growth and marketing. So when we say content planning, we are looking at the fact that you need to plan your content in order to address your audiences and help them interact and relate well with your audiences. You want them to keep receiving valuable information from you. So you need to just plan your content. And in this video guide, I'm going to be showing you practical steps to planning your content. The first is you need to drive down your niche. Your niche is to be so specific that this is what you are good at, and this is where your professionalism is, your specialization is established. So your niche is important and it helps you. In my own case, I'm into digital marketing and web development. So digital marketing and web development in my own case. So that is why most of the time you see me coming up with content related to management, online marketing, digital marketing, how to improve your audience, how to engage with your prospects, how to follow up, how to run your Facebook ads, your Google ads, web development, how to build your websites, your server environment. All these are what you see that I have on my channel. This is my own niche. Okay, so if that is the case, you now want to look at how do you get your topics, how do you get your information. There are several ways to getting topics for your audiences. One is to answer the questions they are literally asking. So just answer those questions. So the second now is to make use of Google. So you can make use of Google. So if you go to Google, for instance, you just go to your google.com, and on your search bar here, you want to type in something related to your niche. In my own case, it's digital marketing. So let me just say how to. If you enter how to on Google, you are going to see suggestions. You are going to see suggestions that Google literally will give to you, because that is what people are searching for at the time. These are what people are searching for. Check JAMB results. If you are in Nigeria, you know that is one of the things that will be trending, because so many students wrote their JAMB. Parents are interested in seeing the results and they want to know how to go about it. So topics like these are very, very important. So when you want to drive or write your content plan, you want to look at what people are searching for, and using Google is one way to go. So there are several other tools you can use. Probably we'll do videos on those tools to get suggested topics, to get information, to put out your content. But in this video guide, we want to look at how do we plan our content in order to get the best and organize and grow. So Google is a recommendation. So let us say pick how to cook. You'll see that immediately I added this keyword cook, so many other suggestions are very much recommended by Google, because Google has the database of what people are searching for. So you realize that jollof rice is leading here because that is indeed what people are searching for. And I must tell you, if you are to write a content on how to cook jollof rice, you'll realize that your content would be having organic results, because people are actually searching for that keyword, whether you like it or not. So let us leave the matter on how to get suggestion of your topics. Let us just look at your schedule. So your schedule, your content schedule can be monthly. You can decide to say you want to be creating content monthly, so you want to plan it for the whole month. You can decide to say you want to have your content weekly. You can decide to say you want to have your content daily. Either way, you have to schedule your projects. So your daily content, in this video I will be showing you a tool that you can use to set up a daily content and optimally gather yourself on a weekly content, and in fact gather yourself on a monthly content. So the tool I'm going to use in this video guide is a very simple, easy to use tool, which is your Google Doc. Your Google Doc is a solution within Google, and that is your Google Sheet. So if you go to your Google and you just enter at the search bar at the top, you enter doc. So that is, let me copy this and paste so that you can see what. So if you should enter docs.google.com on your Google Sheets, you are going to, on your browser, you are going to come to this place. But you truly need to visit this start menu at the top there. That is what you need to visit now, this menu, this main menu. So once you click on that, and you will now select Sheets. So when you select Sheets, you have your blank, your to-do list, there are several templates, but you are consigned more of creating a blank sheet, because that is what we want to do now. We want to set up a Google monthly planner, and that is this is a sheet that you can structure your content for your daily, your weekly, your monthly, and everything will be here, and it is just free. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is, of course, you title your document. Make sure you have a title. So that is a monthly sheet, let me say monthly planner. So this is monthly planner, and we have our content. So let us say this is serial number, and this is week. Okay, in this guide, in this monthly planner that we want to design now, literally we design it, we want to just maintain 3 contents per day, just 3 contents per day. So we are going to say on the second line, I'm selecting, let me say, topic 1. That is topic 1. The next line we have topic 2. The next line we have topic 3. So we are putting 3 topics, 3 contents per day. And of course, at the top here, I want to move this so here I've just been able to, let me reduce the zoom. And increase the fonts to 20. So here I've been able to come up with. So what we've just done here is we merge the 3 cells. There are 3 cells here. Topic 1 is a cell, topic 2 is a cell, topic 3 is a cell. So one of the things we can do to make it easy is, let us just write this cell. Yes, so that we can all see the cell, the line. So topic 1 is a cell, topic 2 is a cell, topic 3 is a cell. So at the top here, we merge the 3 cells and we make it a week. And of course, we are going to call this week 1. You see, so we can copy this 2 line, just copy it, come to this place and just paste. Come to this place and just paste. And of course, the third one here, we'll just need to paste. So here is week 2. Here is week 3. And of course, here will be week 4. If you notice that we've been able to cover from the first topic, second topic, third topic for week 1, first topic, second topic, third topic for week 2, first topic, second topic, third topic for week 3, like that. So here we can now say our days. This is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, this is Thursday, this is Friday, And of course, even if you want to have Saturday and Sundays, you can also do that. Saturdays, Sundays. So it means I can adjust this. Okay, so it means we have our topics, our days, and here we can put our contents here for each of the topics that we want to treat. Probably here for week 1 on Monday, probably that will fall to let me go back to our document. How graphic designer make money. That is what we want to do here. We just need to enter topic. How graphic designers make money. And of course, we are going to now put our notes here. Here there is a note for this presentation. And of course, probably underneath we want to put in our tags. So we can now put tags. Here your tags will be presented. So of course, don't forget the fact that it now takes the whole portion. What about topic 2, topic 3 underneath? So what you just need to do is perhaps come to your text wrapping and make sure you wrap it. So let me just click this and wrap everything once and for all. So yes, so I now know the topic now. In fact, let me click here and put this in center. So I can also put it at the top so that all the topics. So Monday, and you can see topic for Monday is here. Topic for Tuesday will be here. Topic for Wednesday will be here. And that is how you can do that. So, and before you know it, you can pick your Tuesday topic and put in your topic where to get stock images, and of course your notes, like we discussed, your notes and your tags. So if you notice, you will realize that this is how you start planning your day-to-day activities. This is how you start planning your day-to-day activities, and make sure that whosoever, once you get to your implementation, you just need to pick the topic, do your research, prepare your notes, come in with your creativity and give to the best of your ability. Once the content is created, schedule it for the day. In fact, we are going to do another video on how to schedule your content and how to publish your content. But this is just how to come up with your content planner and literally get it done for your implementation. And definitely you can do that for other days of the week. And of course, what about the months? If your content is ready, your plan is ready for the week, for the day, what about for the month? We are in the month of May. What about for January, for February, for March? So what you can do at the bottom here where you see sheet 1, you can rename it. You can rename this and call this January. And of course, you can also duplicate it. So why do we recommend that you duplicate? So when you duplicate, you have the copies, the structure that you have given to this first sheet will also be here on the second sheet. And of course, you can then rename this as February. So the lesson is you can create all the months, sheets for all the months, and you just need to then edit the content within each day, and that is as easy as what you can do. Now the question about what about if you want to have collaborators, somebody who can work with you on this to help you get your content, like a copywriter who will help you write out all your notes, all the concepts, who will do your research for you, and you just need to prepare your notes and come and do your presentation. Or in fact, you can even look for somebody else who will do the presentation, and you will also look for somebody else who will schedule your content. That is when you are now working with a digital marketing agency, or what you are working with a freelancer, as the case may be. So one of the things you can do is that you can create this framework and add the bearer or bearers to the chat, to this sheet, as a collaborator. So what you need to do is just to scroll down. Let me reduce this. Okay. So at the bottom here, we have this share button here at the top here, and because I'm the only one here, you can see private to only me. But in the case where I want to add collaborators, I can actually add people, their name. So what's the name? Oluwashola. So Oluwashola is added to this sheet, and I can give the person the position of an editor, or I can make the person a commenter or a viewer. Now, for people who will just be picking the concept, the topics, the notes, and going back to probably their graphic designer or their video editors that will just pick the content and go and edit and come up with the creative, you can make them viewers, because they don't need to edit anything, they don't need to correct any mistake, they just need to pick those concepts and go and implement them. So if a graphic designer is working with you, the graphic designer can go there, pick in the content, so you can make them viewers. But when you have somebody who wants to edit, probably edit the grammar, write or upload information, then you can make them editor. And of course, once you make them editor, you can put in a note that they should receive this information, and then you send them the information. So once you send the information, they will also have access to that document, and from their end, they are going to receive a mail, and they will be having access to reaching out, seeing the daily concepts, the daily topics, and they'll be able to work with you, to fill in their own work from their end. So that is that. With this in mind, we've been able to look at a document that can help you. We've addressed add users to Google Sheets. So we've been able to look at a document that can help you plan your content, and you can use that to prepare yourself and your team towards building a very reportable online presence. So your content can be text, definitely can be images, can be videos, okay, and can be the major of all, okay, which you have your article, you have your images, you have videos. A lot of things can happen with your content, and there is no limits to that. Then your placement also, your placement can be on your Facebook, on your LinkedIn, on your YouTube. So all this can really work for your business. The most important thing is that have a plan, set up your content, work with collaborators to come up with good information that your audiences will benefit from, and keep building your relationship, keep selling to your clients, and keep exchanging values. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, be a part of my community, and don't forget to collaborate with Palladium Innovations, a digital marketing agency. We are here for you, and we are willing to work with you. Thank you, and God bless.